Isn't this another impossible puzzle? Alright, no one has ever managed it. No, it doesn't fit in any way. How can such a small red stone contain a whole unsolvable task? Come on, seriously? It doesn't fit. Can it really fit in there? I don't believe that, seriously. It felt so good. Hey everyone, I'm Kibastic and you're familiar with this guy already. This is my 3D printer. As you can see, now it's in a new location. The thing is that my place is rearranged a bit, there's a new table here, but the placement of my body and the task remain the same, to print cool things. And today we're going to print a really mysterious thing. Let's run the print right now. Okay, let's go. This is how it happens. God, amazing machine. 3D printing technology is truly infinite, anything can be printed. As for me, I like to solve puzzles, so I print them. Write in the comments what would you like me to print out besides the puzzles. Maybe you're interested in a lot of things, a lot of information you want to know about 3D printing, 3D printers and what they are capable of. So don't hesitate to write in the comments and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because there's really cool, interesting content. By the way, the printing has already begun. Despite the simple shape and small size of this detail, it has a huge mystery that we have to solve today. Alright, the print is complete, I think we can already take it off the table and now you're going to find out the secret of this little square, or whatever it is. Well, our puzzle is ready. You might ask, how can such a small red stone contain a whole unsolvable task? And I'll tell you, we have to print the rest of our puzzle. Let's go! And now, when all the details of our puzzle are in front of me, let me explain it to you. We have a chest that needs to be filled with golden blocks. This is going to be the first stage of solving, because it seems to be not an easy task. But no, it all fits easily here. This one here, this one here. Done! I did it! As you can see, the blocks fit perfectly. There's space in this box exactly for them. Next, we cover our chest with a lid that fits perfectly and put the redstone in its place. Now, watch what's gonna happen. This puzzle is starting to look like some kind of a red button that needs boom to be pressed. And by the way, you can also press the like button under this video and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it, because the more subscribers I have on my channel, the cooler things I'm ready to print on a 3D printer. And once the channel has 1 million subscribers, I will print out a fully functional speed cube and try to speed solve it. Until then, the secret of the redstone. As you know, I'm really into high quality puzzles. By the way, about them. High quality and inexpensive puzzles are available at the Cubicle.com store. This is a cool puzzle store with worldwide delivery. Besides, they have a huge assortment of different cubes, accessories, mats, timers, etc. So go to the link in the description, pick something new for you and your brain, or as a gift for your friends and family. I highly recommend you to go by the link to the Cubicle.com store and see their assortment. A special promo code for my subscribers, Cubastic, gives you a discount for your order. The link is in the description. Well, let's take a closer look at what this puzzle is made of and try to solve it, and find out what it's all about. It consists of 3 types of details. The first is the box. It is a blue box, very well printed by the way. I can't even believe I printed this today, and a lid that fits perfectly and keeps the contents of the box secret. And very reliable by the way. It's pretty tight, I like it. I'm very grateful to the people who are developing these puzzles. For us, it's so simple, choose the puzzle, download it and print it, but some people invent it, model it and do a lot of work to make this puzzle. By the way, here on the lining is the logo of the author of this puzzle. I will definitely leave a link to this model in the description. Someone might be interested in looking at it from another side in a different way, or print it out if you have a 3D printer. Okay, the box. Then we have these golden stones, they have a larger size, although there is a smaller one too, but they in general have different shapes and they fit perfectly into this box. Okay, done. As you can see, the golden blocks fit perfectly inside this box. And I'm covering all this with our lid. That's it. Nothing extra in this puzzle. Now everything is inside, safely hidden under this cool lid, but it has a special space for our secret redstone. Let's put it here. Done. This is the starting point of the puzzle from which we're going to begin our solving. Again, I think the quality of printing is amazing. Just look how well the layers are laid and how well the lid works. How well everything fits. Our task is to place the redstone inside the box together with all the golden stones and make the lid closed tightly. At first glance this is not possible, but I can already see that there are small holes, very small spaces like this, which can add up to enough space to fit the redstone perfectly. Starting the timer, but before I do that, I want you to comment on how long you think it will take to solve this puzzle. While you're writing, I will start. Let's go, okay? Honestly, I know this is going to be a long time. Let's start with the biggest pieces of course, and let's locate them in most unusual ways. I mean, if we had it like this firstly, let's put it maybe like this. Does it fit in here? Yes, fits perfectly by the way. Well, not bad, I like it. Okay, can we do this too like this? No, we can't do it, which means that this is the only way to do it. Not like that? Maybe like that? Okay. In fact, I'm acting randomly right now, trying... Well, seems like it fits somehow, and this way too. Let's put our redstone right here. Oh damn, can it really fit in there? I don't believe that, seriously. I thought I just put everything perfectly, like this, and I still have an extra stone left. Come on, this puzzle? Really? Isn't this another impossible puzzle? Alright. Let's try something unusual then, and use lateral thinking right away. Let's find the stones that fit the height, like these, see? The same. It will be the same in that way. They are basically all the same width. No, this one is higher. And this one? Okay. And these are thinner. I got it. They are 3 different heights. Well, let's start from the bottom and try to fill in this way. It's okay, it's been only 5 minutes. To be honest, I don't even see any way to solve it so far. But I already can tell you this is a very complicated puzzle. So guys, support me please in the comments. I would really appreciate it if you could help me, at least with your support. I will be very grateful for that. Well... Well, okay, just a bit of free space, just a little bit. I was pretty sure that I could solve it, but this stone is too big, as you can see. The lid just won't close. I mean, that's the way it compensated the height of our red block, so it's not that easy. You know, on the page where I got this puzzle, the most popular comment was: is it actually possible to fit everything in this box with an extra stone? And the author of the puzzle says, yes, it's possible, but apparent from the comments I'm guessing that no one has ever managed it. Maybe I will be the first? Honestly, I don't know. What's up with this? Okay, let's do the next thing. Maybe we can go a millimeter higher to free some space. This is the standard height of our box, its capacity. One large block lies horizontally and one thin block lies horizontally too. Let's try to pick up some blocks, put them vertically or something, make them a little higher up. For example, put this block vertically. Look closely at this. Height equals 2 blocks horizontally and 1 vertically by a fraction of a millimeter. I don't know, maybe a millimeter too or something higher than that height. And if we put it at this height inside the box, the lid can be perfectly closed. It's very important. So we can use these medium-sized blocks here in the vertical position. Their dimensions fit. It's good. Let's start with it. But what do we do with these blocks? I have no idea. Or maybe that way? Oh, if we put them vertically, then we have at the same height. Okay. This is interesting. I remind you that this video is sponsored by the Cubicle.com store. Okay, guys, an interesting moment now. I fit these 2 blocks super tightly. And I guess that way we can fit the rest of them. Very tightly. I don't know, maybe something like that. Put this one here, this one here. No, it's too high. Okay. I like it already. These blocks fit perfectly. So I think maybe this is the key to the solution. Let's move on. Not bad so far. Okay. A whole big block of several parts fits perfectly across like this. I think we solved the puzzle. No, it doesn't fit in any way. Damn. Would be great if it fits like that. Okay, I thought it's over our suffering, but it's not. Almost. There is so much free space. Look how much space I managed to clear. Except this height of that stone won't let me close the lid. Although there is plenty of space to fill it all up, I already like how tight everything is. And I think we're getting closer. But now I need to get everything out of the box somehow. We're very close to the solution. I really like it. It's stuck there. Come on! Come on, seriously? It doesn't fit! It doesn't fit! Oh my god, why? Look how close I was. Just look at it. Oh, I love this puzzle, but I've been trying to solve it for almost half an hour and I haven't got a result, but I feel it is pretty close. What? Me? How? Stop! Cover! Yes! Oh god, 32 minutes. I don't even know how it happened. Everything fits, there are no more stones. This is an amazing puzzle. Damn, gosh, it's so emotional. Honestly, I thought this would be harder. I was going to do it in that way, put this one here. It didn't work out because the long one doesn't fit at all. But because this long stick is made of two of these, look, these two elements, the same thing. And this part is made up of two of these elements, which means these cubes are equal in size. They are identical. And so it turns out that we can easily replace them and put this one here and this one here. I just swapped them where it doesn't fit. It's an amazing puzzle. I'm excited. I really like it. Our redstone is going inside and its secret can be considered completely revealed. Folks, thank you so much for watching this video. I suffered for 32 minutes here and I hope you enjoyed it. And if that's true, then hit the like button and write a comment under this video. I would love to hear your opinion on the puzzles and 3D printing. Because I'm planning on moving in that direction and I hope you're interested. Now help me to get to recommendations with this video. This was Cubastic, bye everyone and have a good time. It felt so good.